Hello guys, so today we are going to be looking at operations on functions. So we have a little task on the board. The question says that given the f of x is equals to 2x minus 3 and g of x is equals to 2x squared minus 5. And the questions here are find a f plus g of x, f minus g of x multiplied by g of x, and the composite of f of g of x and g of f of x, and also f we have f of x, then we have g of compose g of x. So let's take question number one. Remember we got the question 8 says that f plus the function f of g, f plus g of x. At this point, don't get confused here. This it is just step by step. You see this g of x, we got the g of x on the board, and we can now put this to be f plus g of x here is equals to x squared minus 5. That is g of x. Now, what is the function of f? The function of f on the board also, the x line is invisible. What is the function of f? The function of f here becomes 2x minus 3. So let's put this, there's no only in bracket, plus x squared minus 5. We collect like 10 here. When we collect like 10, we're going to have it as x squared plus 2x minus 3 minus 5. So what do we have left? We have x squared plus 2x minus 8. So this is our final answer. And then look at the b part. We have the function of f minus g of x. The same thing happened to this. What is our g of x? Our g of x is x squared minus 5. So what's the function of f? Our function of f there is 2x minus 3. Then we have this minus here, minus x squared minus 5. So when we put that like 10 the same way, here we're going to have minus x squared plus 2x minus 3 minus 5. Now, let's keep it this way. Finally, we have minus x squared plus 2x minus 8. Now, we can multiply all through by minus so that we can eliminate this minus here. So when we multiply this, we have minus x minus, we have plus. So we're going to have x squared minus 2x plus 8. So this is our final answer. Now, let's move to question number 3c, which says that the function of f multiplied by g of x. So the multiplication of x is not same as the composite of the composite. It's not the same. So that's what we're going to have here is our f. We have our f, right? Multiplied by the g of x. We have the g of x to be x squared minus 5. So therefore, what is our f? Our f there we have it to be 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3 into brackets x squared minus 5. We can do this by opening the bracket. When we're going to get 2x into bracket x squared minus 5, and also minus 3 into bracket x squared minus 5. So we do this, we're going to get to be 4x raised to the power of 3 minus 10x. Here we're going to get minus 3x squared. Then we have plus 15. So we'll take this now, collect the like 10, or going to have something like 4x raised to the power of 3 minus 3x squared minus 10x plus 15. If we have anything that is common, we can take it, but at this point, there's nothing common here. The B part here says that f composite g of x. Yes, f composite g of x. Please let's be careful with this. Now, at this point, it means that our f, this is our f, the function of f, into bracket the g of x. And what is our g of x? Our g of x here is x squared minus 5. We have gotten our g of x to be x squared minus 5. Or better still, let's write it down and say that our f into bracket g of x is same thing as our f, our g of x to be equals to x squared minus 5. So at this point, we know our g of x to be x squared minus 5. What is our f of x? Which simply means g of x in this bracket is same thing as the f of x. Assuming see this as x. So f of x, anything in this g of x is represent the x. So our f of x on the board here, we got it, we have it as 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. So therefore, at this very point here now, we are substituting our x, which is the g of x, into this. So therefore, we're going to have it as 2 open bracket. Our x here is set as x squared minus 5. Then we have what left? Minus 3. So when you take this, we're going to have it as 2x, what's open bracket? 2x squared, 2x squared minus 10 minus 3. So when we take this, we're going to have 2x squared minus 13. So I take the e part. The e says that the function of g composite f of x. So now, at this point, we know, let's keep our g at a particular point. G of, what is our f of x? Our f of x, which is equals to 2x minus 3. You see, that means at this point, let me take away this g. Our f of x is this. So therefore, the g of f of x, at this point, this g did not see this man as f of x. It saw this man as x. And if this g saw this man as x, it means now that our g of x will be x squared minus 5. Now, x squared minus 5, so therefore, whatever is our f of x, we are going to slot it inside this function. We are going to slot it inside this. So therefore, we are going to have something like 2x minus 3 into bracket squared minus 5. So therefore, when we square this, we are going to have something like 2x minus 3 into bracket 2x minus 3, then minus 5. Now, let's open this bracket. When we open this bracket, we're going to have 2x into bracket 2x minus 3. Then we have minus 3 into bracket 2x minus 3. Then minus 5. So when you multiply this one, we're going to have 4x squared. Then minus 6x, 2x minus 2x multiplied by minus 3, we have 6x. Then minus 3 multiplied by 2x, we're going to have minus 6x, minus x minus plus 3 times 3, 9, then minus 5. So when we take this, we have 4x squared, minus 6 minus 6x minus 6x, we're going to have minus 12x. Then we have plus 9 minus 5, we're going to have plus 4. There is a common factor here. If you take the common factor of 4, thereabout, we're going to have what is left? X, or let 4 divide through. You see this term? Let 4 divide through, yeah, or we take the common factor. So therefore, we are going to have something like x squared minus 3x plus 1, or you leave your answer the first way. So this is the function of g composite f of x. F is the composite of function of f composite the f of x. So the same thing here, we know our f of x is equals to, or f of x is equals to 2x minus 3. So therefore, the function of f of x, that means this f sees this man as x. So therefore, what is the function of f of x is still 2x minus 3. So then we are slotting this 2x minus 3 into the 2x minus 3. So then we are going to have 2 into bracket 2x minus 3, then minus 3. So when you open this bracket, we're going to have 4x minus 6 minus 3. So then finally we have 4x minus 9. So the last g composite g of x. So here we got what is our g of x? Our g of x is equals to x squared minus 5. So the g saw this man g of x as x. So what is our g of x? Here we still the same x squared minus 5. So therefore, we can now slot this f of x, g of x into this main g of x. So therefore, we're going to have something like x squared minus 5 into bracket square, then minus 5. So when we square this, we're going to have x squared minus 5, x squared minus 5, so minus 5. So opening bracket, we have x squared into bracket, x squared minus 5, then minus 5 open bracket, x squared minus 5, then minus 5. So when you square this, we have x to the power of 4 minus 5x squared, then we have minus 5x squared, because we want to multiply this, then minus x minus, we're going to have plus 25 minus 5. So at this point here now, we got x squared minus 5x squared, then minus 5x, then 25 minus 5, we're going to get 20. So there's a factor? No, there is no factor here. So we can leave our answer. This is x raised to the power of 4. We can leave our answer this way.